Greetings to everyone. Sanibonani Dumelang Kamalamo Oliver Wagapiri Isbo. One of the organizers the March to March Elikwa. The reason we are gathered here today is because we wanted to deliver the memorandum to the executive mayor of Likwa local municipality, to the immigration office, to SARS, to the police, so that we can put our grievances on paper so that they can assist us ukuthi bayenze umsebenzi wabo labantu bangaphandle bazokhona ukuthi bahambe, because siyabona South Africa yonke iyabaqosha labantu. So we had enough ngabo, because most of abantu laba abahlala ngaphandle bathengisa ama drugs, izitolo zama foreigner bathengisa ukudla expire bacisha ama expiring date. So we wanted ukuthi to demonstrate and say peacefully, so siyacela ukuthi all those stakeholders basilekelele ukuthi labantu bahambe, because if bangahambi then sizozenzela thina ngendlela yethu. So okwamanje we were marching peacefully without any harm to anyone, to any business, to any infrastructure. But if ever ukuthi ama grievances ethu abawanaki, then we'll take another route and forcefully so. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Phakathi ngofunda ahlukene amadimandi wethana ahlukene, but meya ngiyathemba ukuthi uzoduma kulento esicelayo. Abantu banayini siyafuna ukubhadala ugesi, siyafuna ukwenza kanjani ley'tolo lezi uzubone benzani abantwana basezimbabwe baqhashe bona thina siyasuffocate. Enye into
ama-tuck shop.
Greetings Bahlali. Today we were leading a march whereby community members are raising demands ukuthi all undocumented people must leave our town. Because what happened, other towns they fought. So these people now they are coming into our town, they are taking our space. So we want to reclaim our economy as Likwa residents. And we are calling all people who are interested into business, please, let's take back this shop so that they can run. Abantu bakhona ukuthola idingo kulethu labasifunayo. And it's not only shops, everything, saloons, taverns and so forth. Even in transport, they are taking abantu be transport laphayana ngalama van. So siyacela ukuthi umphakathi please come on board. We are still going to call meetings to try and coordinate our businesses ukuthi ahlangane akhona ukuvula lama businesses. Imarch yethu namhlanje it was so peaceful. Siyabonga umphakathi ukuthi ukhona ukucoordinateka. Into esenzile today sisubmit ama memorandum of demands kuma departments ahlukene. I-Department of Home Affairs, amaphoyisa, ama-health inspectors, no executive mayor. So we have just given them a directive that within 7 working days we want to respond. Because what will happen on the 30th, angeke sikhona ukucontrol. Umphakathi ufed up. So on the 30th, siyabadudula abo baba Enzo abahambe babathathela nabo Enzo babo bahambe nabo. And siyazi ukuthi sizoba affected as abahlali, sisazolwa sisodwa ukuthi wayini bahambisa nani. As much as we see abanye abantu basho, but all that we are asking ukuthi abantu abavulela ama businesses, and we are going to monitor this process until the last day. I thank you.
Feedback will be interpreted as failure to respond to legitimate community concern. As the community reserves the right to pursue fair, lawful and peaceful civic actions, the people of Likwa demand action issued by the commission. Everything must be signed. I'm afraid. Demand. Okay. Yeah. Department of Health has failed. Nini stress anapemola paya. Sio check. Abo baba ends. Benqala ukubona abantu vela phakathi kwesitimela. Sibathafufu. If lezi zinto ungayiraise, ungazilungisi. Manda.
Nigga.
Oh. Executive Mayor. Uzela ukupha uMayor. Yes.
Ngani phela? Oh. Thula phela.
Uthule phela sinalaleni.
And esithanda ukulonga ukuthi ihlangane as a concerned community members. Identify ukuthi yini esibhekene nayo and what might be a possible solution. The memorandum of demands also outlines the solutions, defines the time frame and the responsibilities. It suggests that there must be a collaborative effort in order to address what you are raising. Our attitude towards this demonstration is very positive. We don't see this demonstration as big, but we see this demonstration as very genuine. All government sectors present here were going to sit to a committee that will deal with this demonstration. We shall not be all over like Holy Spirit. When we address these issues of national importance, we should stick to what it's our mandate. Comrades, I also invite all community members together to show that other issues of service delivery concerns shall also be attended to by this municipality as the primary mandate. But for today's purpose, it suggests that thina njengomkhandlu asibuke konke lokho enikuvezile okumayelana nalokho benikulethe namhlanje. Sikuthatha ngokweqiniso, sikuthatha genuine, asikuthathi ngokwepolitiki. I've seen different political formations present amongst yourselves. Therefore, this cannot be clouded as the political party, but these are concerned residents raising genuine issues of our illegal immigrants. So, we shall also comply and respond
push out
7 working days as proposed by the leadership of the Marshall Marsh Local Municipality. I'm happy to that is why we are saying this approach is very genuine and it's a supporter. So communities to be committed. Time to time, we will have a job. Because Marge, you have given us a mandate. We should suggest that just one has a task at hand. And we need to be hard at work. The very same job that was addressing this mandate.
Push isibali.
Must sit and check all the demands. So mix it must have one on.
Waze wayishangane shem.
Ngisiphushe thina
Akahambe.
usasho nje nokuthi icela uvule. Awushangane ngempela.
Akahambe.
Shangane ngempela lo.
One uqala kuma-border, 2 uyingena la emakhaya, 3 ithatha umsebenzi. Nana emajardini sakhona. Baqashela iduze abanye ama-boyfriend.
Mshana akahambe.
Lokho nje kukodwa it's a crime against the laws of this country. So masithathe ngaleyo ndlela baphathi amandla.
Oh, Sotho.
Greetings, my comrades. Sila namhlanje ka-municipality sizokhipha i-memorandum yokuthi ama-Pakistani fanele ahambe ngoba umsebenzi uyaphela guys. Nabo Enzo lana abomama bakhona sebajola nabo lama-Pakistani. Siyacela ukuthi ma-comrades ngoba ama-business ayafaila this time now. Siyacela ukuthi ma-comrades ukuthi sikhona ukuyilwa lempi ukuthi sibe right, sikhona ukuyilwa ukuthi hayi ama-Pakistan awaphume wonke umuntu ma-China yonke into sihlaleni thina ama-South Africa sibe nomsebenzi. Amandla.